Do we respect the world we live in? Sure doesn't seem like, cause now we're crossing lines that are sacred and forbidden. Biting Mother Nature's hand, the only one that feeds us. Wait, we need this planet, the planet doesn't need us. Self-sufficient on her own, full of independence. If it wasn't for humans, she wouldn't need amendments. Now the world is slowly dying as we sit and watch, fading while it's trying to fight against a ticking clock. But what's ironic is the problem. People just prioritize today and put tomorrow at the bottom. Ignorant to the futures of our sons. How can the most intelligent species be so dumb? Only ourselves we are in love with. Supposed to be the most advanced race, yet we're the most self-destructive. It's almost too late, the volcano has erupted. And trust me, Mother Nature's someone you don't wanna f*** with.
That's what it's worth.
How many times do we have to see the world getting worse? Proceeding with our evil ways, adding to the curse. Living in luxury as we're damaging the earth. It's absurd, and we can't put the clock into reverse. So unless we start to fix what we have broke, the futures of our kids will be burning up in smoke. This ain't a joke, this is as real as it gets. So make a change now or put the noose around your neck. If only we could make an effort to recycle, we could live a longer life, and that's vital. When time is gone, we could never get it back. Now let me break it down for you and share with you the facts. There are many to address, but let's focus on plastic and how the damage it's causing is getting drastic. The danger remains right under our nose. Did you know it takes 1,000 years for it to decompose? The bottles we drink, chemicals down the sink. Pollution kills another life every time we blink. It's time to think, take a step back, evaluate of wildlife that is dying at a rapid rate. Plastic whales washing up on the beach. If someone hasn't learned, then it's on us to teach. But don't just speak, be sure to practice what you preach. Prioritize tomorrow before it's out of reach.